The LG front-load washer WM3850 HVA is dancing, and in the final cycles it spins weakly or won't spin the load at all. This is lesson 5, a real diagnostic case where I confirm the cause and replace the suspension springs and shock absorbers to restore a proper final spin. This call is from Cartier, Manitoba, just outside Winnipeg. It's part of the washing machine repair and diagnostic course by Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. I'm a technician Evgen. Following a clear diagnostic logic, I start with a visual inspection. I check the top mounting points, the spider and the bearings. Everything looks good. After removing the rear protective cover, I spot a rubbed wear mark on the direct drive motor housing. The cover shows a matching wear mark. That points to excess top travel, especially near the end of the cycle when the washer ramps up to high spin. Next, I inspect the suspension and confirm it needs 2 new springs and 3 new shock absorbers. The weak spin and heavy vibration were caused by worn springs and shocks that could no longer control the top's movement under load. Diagnostics complete. Time for repair. Tools: 2 new springs, 3 new shocks. Everything is on site, so I get to work. Important: this repair is for trained technicians. Disconnect power and water and work safely. There is good access only to the rear shock. For the springs and front shocks, the washer needs partial disassembly. I replace the rear shock, then separate the stacked dryer and washer. I remove the top panel and replace both springs. To remove and install a spring, I used thick wire. A strong group can work too. Next, I disassemble the front to replace the front shocks. I remove the detergent drawer and control panel. Loosen the front panel, release the door boot clamp and separate the gasket from the cabinet. I tilt the front panel carefully, disconnect the wiring and door lock and set the panel aside. Front shock access is excellent. I replaced the left and right front shocks. The main repair is complete. 2 springs and 3 shock absorbers replaced. I reassemble the washer and dryer back into a single stack, exactly as it was, and run a test cycle. The suspension replacement is successful. Stable top movement and a proper final spin. Important: during disassembly and reassembly watch for very sharp sheet metal edges on the back side of the cabinet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video. If you are in Winnipeg and your washer is shocking, walking or not spinning at the end, Appliance Fix Lab repairs many major brands, including LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, Matic, GE, Kenmore, Frigidaire, Electrolux, Bosch and more, across Charleswood, River Heights, Lindenwoods, Tuxedo, Deer Lodge, Westwood, Transcona and nearby areas. Appliance Fix Lab real case, quality diagnostic, reliable repair.